wrapping tasteful aesthetics around a fresh TCI chassis, a fuel-injected stroker motor, and a trusty 700R4. This all-American 52-3100 is a great driver that mixes hot performance with proven style. This Chevy is the beneficiary of a 3-year frame-off restoration. Under the truck's sophisticated charcoal and metallic silver 2-stage, a fully stripped fuselage incorporates solid replacement panels that for the most part were sourced from LMC Truck. Those panels feature better than factory alignment, and when open and closed, sound solid and function exceptionally well. In the 50s, trucks were all about comfort and utility, not Wi-Fi and navigation systems. That's why it's so refreshing to hop in the cab of this purposeful but nicely appointed 3100. At the front of the cockpit, a stylish dash hides reliable, painless wiring behind color-matched classic instruments gauges, and the driver commands the road through a polished and half-wrapped steering wheel. Pop the hood and you'll find 383 cubic inches of GM Performance Parts ZZ383 that's been polished, rebuilt, and fitted with fast fuel injection. Backing that small block is a tweaked 700R4 automatic transmission that spins a Ford 9-inch. This Chevy is primed for years of enjoyment. It's the perfect buy for any enthusiast who's looking to enjoy vintage while keeping an eye on drivability. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.